Hi everyone, this is ERIKMANN magnetic mesh made out of fiberglass. I'm gonna show you how to assemble this magnetic flies today. So let's see. Okay, well, first of all, I'm gonna talk about our kit. First of all, you have to clean the surface truly, which comes in your kit. That's an alcoholic pipe. You have to clean it truly so the magnetic tape's gonna stick, as you see here. Now I'm taking out, as you may see it here, our mesh, and that's the magnet tape. I'm gonna put it through here. Remember, well, first of all, I have to peel it off, like you see here. Okay. They offer two different types. One of them is the fiberglass, and the other is polyurethane. So, just to be sure that's really gonna stick there, so you have to put some pressure there. First of all, as you may see here, and once it sticks there, you're good to go. I'm just checking here if everything's okay. Okay, I'm gonna take it here. Take my mesh, which comes as like folded in your kit. I'm gonna turn it up. As you see, has a clearing in the middle. So I'm just setting up right here. Okay, I'm gonna place it here, and I have to place my magnet type like you see it. Make sure it's on the right side. If not, don't worry, so you can just take it out and place it back. Okay, I'm taking the measurement like you see it here, putting in pressure, make sure it is truly placed there. Okay, right, I'm placing the other side as well. Taking my velcro, which has two sides, the male side and the female side. So that's how we do it. Okay, I'm placing them. This magnet type, sorry. Yeah, that's my magnet type on the both sides. If it didn't fit, don't worry, so you can just take it out and place it just slowly, gradually. Okay, like step by step. You don't have to rush. It's really easy, very convenient to use, and most important than all, it's through your budget. It's a very economic way to be sure your animal can come and goes easily. Yes, with the assurance of ERIKMANN. Okay, I'm placing the other one here. Right that way. Okay. Just slowly making sure it's fitting right there. Yeah. So as easy it is. You can just, your animal can go and comes and back and through the magnetic, and also it's really just like you can close your window and open it back, so it doesn't create any problem. And if you need to like look down, or to buy something, or for any reason, if you have to open that, it's very convenient. So that's the quality assurance